Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today we are making oatmeal and raisin cookies. To start off with, I have 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1.5 cup of oats. Last but not least of the dry ingredients is half a cup of raisins. Now in my wet ingredient bowl, I'm adding 1 large egg, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of salted room temperature butter. So the reason why I'm using salted is just so that I don't have to use salt in this recipe. And now slowly incorporate your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. And now grab your cookie dough and roll it up into little bits, teeny bits. And then just put it on a lined baking sheet here. I do have my parchment paper. This recipe makes about 13 cookies and it goes in the oven for 375 Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 8 minutes. Smells so good. Now I'm just putting it on the rack to just let it cool, and then it's just gonna deflate a little bit, and then it'll be ready to eat. This is it. This is my video on oatmeal and raisin cookies. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and thank you very much for watching.